HubSpot review, usage experience. Links to the product are in the description below. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience using HubSpot, one of the most popular all-in-one marketing, sales, and CRM platforms. If you're a small business owner or part of a growing company, HubSpot offers a range of tools designed to streamline marketing efforts, improve customer relationships, and drive sales. HubSpot's CRM is its core feature, and it's designed to be intuitive, user-friendly, and scalable. The CRM allows you to track leads, manage contacts, and automate many of your sales and marketing workflows. You can organize your pipeline, set reminders, and automate tasks, which helps keep your team on track without the need for manual input. For businesses looking to manage a growing database of customers, the CRM is extremely effective, offering both free and paid versions depending on your needs. In addition to the CRM, HubSpot's Marketing Hub is a standout feature. It offers a wide range of tools, including email marketing, social media management, landing page creation, and lead nurturing automation. The email marketing tools are particularly powerful, allowing you to design and send personalized emails based on customer data. Its integrations with Google Ads and other platforms make it easy to run targeted campaigns and measure performance. HubSpot also excels in its Sales Hub, where you can track customer interactions, use sales automation, and close deals more effectively. The platform's reporting and analytics are another strong point, providing insights into campaign performance, sales activities, and overall business metrics. What makes HubSpot particularly appealing is its scalability. Whether you're just starting with the free tools or upgrading to the enterprise level, the platform can grow with your business. The user interface is clean, the support is responsive, and HubSpot's community is active, making it easy to find resources when needed. In conclusion, HubSpot is a comprehensive platform perfect for businesses looking to centralize their marketing, sales, and customer management efforts. Its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and scalability make it a solid choice for businesses of any size. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore HubSpot further.